Hi guys, just quickly, the truffles are sitting in the fridge, so I thought I'd take this time to do an impromptu sort of taste test. So I don't know if everyone knows this or if they're even out everywhere, but there is the new KitKat chunky cookie dough, and we all know cookie dough is one of my favorite things in the world. So I thought I'd do a little taste test thing and let you know if it's any good. So let's do this. It's the KitKat chunky bars, which are my favorite, and as you can see, I don't know if it's going to focus on it, there's the layers, but then there's that top layer of cookie dough, and we'll just see if it tastes any good. Great layer of cookie dough. It's nice and soft. It's got little black bits which will be the vanilla pod, so they use actual vanilla. I would say that it kind of tastes like cookie dough, but it's a little bit of like a manufactured flavour, obviously. But other than that, it's nice. So if you can get your hands on it, I recommend this. I would eat this. I'm gonna eat this all right now.